How to remove my Insta account from other devices. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove my Insta account from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to remove your Instagram account from other devices, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch Instagram, tap the profile icon from the bottom right, tap on the three lines option from the top right, and then just go to Account Center. After you go to Account Center, go to Password and Security. Now first way you can remove someone from your Instagram account is by simply changing your password. So when you change your password, anyone who is logged into your Instagram account will get automatically signed out. This is one way to do it. The other way is, if you also want to review the devices manually, you can go to the where you are logged in option here, and from here you can simply select your Instagram account and you will be able to see a list of browsers or devices currently logged in with your Instagram account, and then you can simply select them and then just tap on the logout button to log out successfully. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then basically log out your Instagram account from other devices. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.